Hello everybody, welcome to this video tutorial of Gonjo Easy on Pause. Today we are glad to show you our newest product, this electric cash register. Well, to start, it has two important features. First, the software is already installed. It works for restaurants. The software is already installed, so you don't need to develop a new software. We will show you a video to know how to operate the system later. In this video we will only show you what does it include and the basic things. So first, this is the power on and power off button. We turn it on and you will start to see how it works. The reference code for this cash register is IPCR 004. What does it include? Well, let me show you. Here we have the printer. This is thermal printer. It also has the 9-inch screen and this cash drawer. Here, let me show you. You can find the customer screen. The customer will be able to see what we are operating, and so important, the interfaces. It has two serial ports. We can connect more printers to it to send the orders to the kitchen and have other facilities. Here we have USB interfaces, two ports too, and as I told you, it's an electrical cash register, so this is the power cable. So let me show you a little test of the printing speed. Well, we have now many tables available. We open one table and then we add the things that the customers want to eat. The total amount is 43. Let's say that the customer is going to pay. The cash drawer will open automatically. So we put the value and the price, and that's it. You can pay with cash, card or check. We select cash, the amount, cash, and you see the cash drawer. It has many facilities. It has a space for 3 bills and has a space for 8 different coins. As you saw, the printer will give us the bill automatically. And well, that's the basic features of our new product. We will see you later explaining to you how to operate this system.